Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Check out this pop-up utility container from Camco that is a super durable, heavy-duty trash can, but starts out as a tiny folded little piece of material. So this is perfect for taking with you on the go if you are maybe going camping or you have an outdoor event and you need a trash container, or it's perfect for RVs because it folds down to basically nothing and it zippers itself into place and has that cover. I love how quickly it unfolds and it stands on its own. It's super sturdy and has a really durable liner. It even has handles and of course that lid that you can zip closed. It does have stakes to keep it in place against wind that you can easily tack into the ground. We chose to use this most recently on a renovation project. It was the perfect trash can that we could use and drag around the project and fill it up with all this construction material, and it held up so well. This fits a 30-gallon trash bag and is really just the perfect companion for any event where you need a trash can that you can take around with you, take it on the go, and is going to be super durable and sturdy. So we would definitely recommend this handy item, and that's my point of view.